Alright guys, we are in the Del Sol. First time on the road in, oh gosh, it's been like years this car's been on the road. So, you guys know we installed the Max Speeding Rods suspension on the T7s, the most expensive coilovers they offer. And wow, they are incredible. If you guys are at all questioning if this is the suspension you need to buy for the best automotive performance, don't question it no further. This is it right here, the T7s. So they're not, what I like about these is they're not ridiculously bumpy for just casual driving, but man, when you get into it, if you want to take a hairpin turn at 50 miles an hour with the right tires that we have on this car, I'm going to get out in a second and show you guys my setup, it can take it. Now, granted, we are in one of the best sports cars the 90s ever had, which is the Honda Del Sol. They're small, they're quick. If it had the V16 in it, the VTEC model, pretty, I wouldn't say fast, but quick cars. But regardless, I know what this felt like before, and I know it feels like now. Huge difference. So here it is, semi-final result. Been building this car for quite some time, about 3 years now. Got this thing, I think it was 2020, and you know, tore it all apart, did all the paint work and body work, and you know, it is by no means a show car, but you know, that SS1200 is holding up pretty good. Definitely gonna need a light, maybe like a 3000 grit or 5000 grit wet sand and polish just after the, you know, year or 2 years of abuse. I put the paint through, daily driving it through the salt and everything like that, but she's looking pretty good. Major upgrades I made to it this year was the wheels, the tires. We got these are the Federal super grippy. I think these are the 595s. You know, super grippy tires. I did end up blowing the motor on it, I believe sometime last year or 2 years ago. Swapped the motor. Unbelievable huge shout out to my buddy Scott up in New York. He did an amazing job on this. Installed the lightweight flywheel, new clutch kit. Went ahead, since we already had the motor out, slapped a set of headers on it. Why not? The absolute latest upgrade was these, like I said, these T7 from Max Speeding Rods. These are incredible. If you got yourself a rice burner, Honda, or whatever, and you haven't bought these yet, buy them. They are well worth the money. You have to take down the front just a hair to match the rear, the tuck in the rear. So, but I'll get that all squared away, or maybe it might just settle on its own with the weight of the engine. Overall, you know, this thing ain't looking too shabby for, you know, I think I have, I don't know, maybe like 2 or 3 grand in this car total over the past couple years. As a close-up of this paint, that's a real, I mean, there's my quad flexing. I mean, this paint, you know, it's pretty gnarly. I got it on there pretty good. So, still a little dinger right there that I missed when I painted it. But, you know, that's what you get with the SS1200, man. That stuff lays out very flat, and it holds its gloss through the years. And this panel, excuse me, the whole car, this car has been flow coated, but the clear coat that I put on top after I flow coated it, the SS1200 has not been wet sanded, has not been buffed. And this is the results. You know, pretty nice and pretty darn flat. It's about as flat as you're gonna get some clear without wet sanding or buffing. There you guys have it. I just wanted to talk to you guys a little more about these T7s. They are the bomb. I could stiffen these up a little more if I wanted to go to the track and win some awards or something. I'm gonna play with the ride height, maybe a little in the rear, a little in the front, meet it in a happy medium. But there you guys have it. You know, this is kind of a suspension update, paint job update. for this car. I know a lot of you guys knew that I had this thing stuffed in my garage hiding and wanted me to get it out and show it to you guys. And well, how's it look now? Everybody sees cars painted when they're wet, fresh into paint booth or fresh off the gun. Let's see it after about 3 to 5 years baking out in the sun. Let's see what it looks like. And as you guys know, we got the #1 clears in the world, top rated by thedrive.com and all these other websites. We're tip at the top. This is why, you know, just awesome stuff, man. If you guys enjoyed this little update, you know, short little update on the old Del Sol. If you guys are looking for the best and most affordable auto body and detail products in the world, there's one place you need to go, www.speedokote.com. They have everything you guys need, start to finish, to get your projects done. If you guys are ordering directly off the site, you guys can click in my name. All the proceeds get filtered back into the channel. Click my name on the website, Marco, sales rep, and it would really help me out. And you guys have been doing awesome. I really appreciate it. Everybody who's been ordering, clicking my name on there, it has helped dramatically. Thank you. Be it. Catch you guys on the next one.